Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. Today, I am going to show you all how to make a natural leave-in conditioner, okay? This is something that I have whipped up in my own kitchen, and I decided to share it with you all because I believe this can benefit you all as well. You can actually use it as a hair moisturizer, a leave-in conditioner, and a deep conditioner, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our flaxseed gel, okay? This is the first ingredient. I have poured 1/4 cup of flax seeds into the pot, and now I'm about to pour 1 cup, if I'm not mistaken, it's 2 cups. I think it's 2 cups. So 16 ounces, I believe, is 2 cups. So I've decided to pour 1 bottle of water. I've actually poured 2 bottles of water because my gel was a little too thick, so I've decided to add a little bit more water to it. So I've actually poured 2 bottles of water. So it totaled out to be 32 ounces of water. And so now I am boiling it on medium heat, and it is looking good, y'all. Okay, so now I'm just basically heating up my flaxseed gel, and I'm going to strain it as soon as I am done because I want to strain it while it's still hot. I don't want to wait until it cools down because it'll be a lot harder for me to strain it, and then I'm going to have to use a stocking or something to squeeze it out, and I don't want to go through that process. So I'm just going to immediately pour it right after I am done. So as you can see, I am just stirring it up a little bit more, and now I'm about to strain it. Okay, so as you can see, I poured it in a glass mason jar. You want to pour it in some type of glass container because if you pour it in the plastic, of course the plastic is going to melt. So you don't want to pour it in a plastic container. Always pour hot liquids and oils and gels inside of a glass container, okay? And so as you can see, I had to hurry up and strain out my flaxseed gel because my flaxseed gel was getting thick really fast, and as it cools down, the harder the gel starts to form. So I wanted to strain it out immediately after I am done with the flaxseed gel, okay? So as you can see, this is my flaxseed gel here. And next, I have my metal bowl here. And I'm going to simply pour the flaxseed gel inside of the bowl. Next, I have my coconut oil. So I've just used a little bit of my coconut oil, and I've decided to add it to the mix. So I have my coconut oil here. Next, I have my aloe vera juice. I've poured about 1.5 cup of aloe vera juice. It's really up to you of how much aloe vera juice you decide to use. Next, I have my castor oil. I'm going to pour my castor oil into the bowl. I've poured, I think, about 8 tablespoons of castor oil. Next, I have my peppermint essential oil. You can add anywhere between 10 to 15 drops of the peppermint essential oil. And I've poured 1 teaspoon of the guar gum gel. And so, not guar gum gel, guar gum. So I'm actually mixing it, but you actually want to pour it into a blender or use an immersion blender to get a good mix, because using the mixer is not the best tool to use when you're trying to mix all of these ingredients together. It's thin enough for it to blend, so I have decided to use a blender, and I'll show you later in the video. So I have mixed it a little bit, but it didn't give me a good solid mix. All right, so I have my aspen bark extract. Okay, this is my preservative. This is a preservative that I like to use for all of my liquid based ingredients. Okay, so I have my aspen bark extract, and I've poured, I believe, about 3 teaspoons of aspen bark extract. Now I'm about to pour it all into the blender, and I'm going to blend it. Okay, I'm going to blend it all together, and it's going to form into a nice creamy leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm going to pour it into 2 glass mason jars, simply because I didn't want it to overflow. And so I've decided to pour half in one jar and half in another jar. And as you can see, I have my creamy leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is something that you can also use as a deep conditioner. All right, so now I'm about to pour it into my plastic container, and this is after it has already cooled down. It is good to go. It's blended well, and now I am ready to use it on my hair. Okay. And as you can see, I'm squeezing it out. I'm gonna spray my strand some water. Okay, and then I'm simply going to apply my leave-in conditioner. Okay. So it looks like. I always apply it to my ends first, and then I work my way to the top. Okay, then I'm going to finger detangle it. Okay, now I am simply going to twist my last strand. And this time I'm using it as a leave-in conditioner. The following clips that you are about to see, or the clips that you have already seen, I'm going to use it as a deep conditioner, okay? So, yeah, it's a little different, but in this clip of the video, I'm using it as a leave-in conditioner, okay? So you can use it for both. If you use it as a deep conditioner, I would wash my hair first and then apply it to my hair right after you wash your hair, and then place a shower cap over your head, and you can place it under the heat blower dryer, or you can simply just take a hot steamy shower while you have your shower cap over your head, and just let the natural steam get into your hair so that you can, you know, get that proper deep conditioning treatment. So yeah, so this is what I like to do to my hair to keep it detangled and moisturized. And when I'm ready to go out in public, I can either leave it in my twist, or I can take it down and rock it as a beautiful twist out as my everyday natural hairstyle. Now, if I am planning to do a natural hairstyle, like a different natural hairstyle, then I would prep it by parting it in 4 sections and twisting each section to keep it detangled. And then when I'm ready to style it, I'll take those twists down and do whatever I need to do to each section to produce my natural hairstyle. Okay, so if you have not yet checked out the 24 natural hairstyle series, please go check out the playlist of the 24 natural hairstyle series. I'm currently working on natural hairstyle number 21. Okay, I'm trying to master that kinky curl. Okay, I'm gonna master it, y'all. I'm gonna master it. Okay, so thank you all for watching, and let's continue on with the video. This is something that can help your hair to grow, help your hair to stay moisturized, and you don't have to worry about any toxic ingredients or any toxic chemicals in your hair, especially if you are suffering with hair loss. You definitely want to try this out, okay? Try this recipe out. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this lovely tutorial. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, comment if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just like the tutorial, let me know what you think, and share this video with those who you feel needs to watch this video. And yes, I'll be posting every Wednesday at 3, okay? So thank you all for watching. I'll talk to y'all again soon. Bye-bye.